This is a fascinating exponential equation. X raised to the power of x raised to the power of 4 is equal to 64. Our goal is to find the value of x. Let us begin. Notice that x appears twice in the equation, while 4 appears only once. So, our first objective is to introduce another 4. This will allow us to create symmetry between the two sides of the equation. To do that, raise both sides of the equation to the fourth power. We now have a quantity x raised to the power of x raised to the power of 4, all raised to the fourth power, equals 64 raised to the fourth power. Next, recall the exponent rule. A raised to the power of m, all raised to the power of n, is equal to a raised to the power of m multiplied by n. This can also be written as a quantity a raised to the power of n, all raised to the power of m. Applying this rule to the left-hand side, the exponent x raised to the power of 4 is multiplied by 4. So, the left-hand side becomes x raised to the power of x raised to the power of 4 multiplied by 4. The right-hand side remains 64 raised to the fourth power. Now, let us use the second form of the same exponent rule. Instead of multiplying the exponent by 4, we can move the 4 into the base. This transforms the left-hand side into x raised to the power of 4, raised to the power of x raised to the power of 4. So now we have x raised to the power of 4, raised to the power of x raised to the power of 4, equal to 64 raised to the fourth power. Excellent. The left-hand side now has a beautiful form of something raised to the power of itself. Our next step is to make the right-hand side have exactly the same structure. Notice that 64 can be written as 8 squared. Therefore, 64 raised to the fourth power becomes 8 squared, raised to the fourth power. Using the exponent rule again, we multiply 2 by 4, giving us 8 raised to the 8th power. And wow, the right-hand side is now also in the form of something raised to the power of itself. Our equation has therefore become x raised to the power of 4, raised to the power of x raised to the power of 4, equals 8 raised to the 8th power. Since both sides now have exactly the same structure, we can equate their corresponding bases. Therefore, x raised to the fourth power is equal to 8. Now, since the exponent is 4, which is an even number, there are two real solutions. Taking the fourth root of both sides gives us x equals positive or negative the fourth root of 8. And that is our answer. So, were you able to solve this fascinating exponential equation? If you enjoyed the solution, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting math problems.